Hi everyone. This video will guide you on how to align taskbar items to the left in Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with a whole new design and features. One of the noticeable changes made by Microsoft in Windows 11 is that it is centered on the taskbar items. The Start menu and all other icons which appear on the taskbar are aligned centered. For your information only, the Start menu was first introduced with Windows 95. In earlier versions of Windows till Windows 10, users have seen the Start menu on the left side of the taskbar. But, in Windows 11, it is now centered and looks glorious. The taskbar is now aligned to the center, which means the Start button, search icon, and all pinned programs icons will appear in the center of the taskbar instead of the left. Centered taskbar icons look like Mac, but many Windows PCs might still not like the new center-aligned taskbar because they are not addicted. Microsoft has aligned the taskbar icons to the center, but they know it will take some time to adapt by most Windows users. Hence, they have provided an option to align the taskbar icons to the left. That means there is no need to use a third-party tool to align Windows 11 taskbar to left. How to align taskbar items to the left in Windows 11? If you want to align taskbar items to the left in Windows 11, first, open Settings app by pressing the Windows logo plus I keys simultaneously. Then, click on the Personalization category in the left sidebar. On the right side of Personalization, select the Taskbar tab to open it. Now, click on Taskbar Behaviors to see more options related to Windows 11 taskbar. From the drop-down menu of Taskbar Alignment, select the left option. That's all. All the icons on the Windows 11 taskbar will be aligned to the left immediately. That means there is no need to restart your PC. If you change your mind and wish to restore it to the original position on the taskbar, center aligned, in the above step, select the center option in the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu. That's it. Let me know via comment how useful this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.